Come watch your nephew make this Biscoff rolls. Now, I didn't record the first part of it because I was just experimenting on this recipe. This is the result of me scrolling on TikTok and decided that I'm gonna try make some rolls, right? So he came down, Mom, you're baking? I'm like, yes, I'm baking. He literally took over, tell me, literally like, I'm doing this, okay, so you can step to the side. And then I have the audacity to tell me, say, I need to record him. So this was a Biscoff roll. Don't ask me for the recipe because I was just experimenting, as I said. So the majority of cinnamon rolls that I saw needed eggs. I didn't have any eggs, so this was just a bread recipe that I had done previously, and then I add some of the Biscoff to the dough. So he came, he took over, I rolled it out, but then I had to get into it to help him to cut them up. But he was doing a good job though. What do you think? How did he do? Let me know in the comments. This was him making the topping, and this was cream cheese along with some some whipped icing. After it was done baking, we baked it for about 25 minutes. Then he put the topping, the glaze on top of it. It was so good. And this was an inspiration. I bought the Tim Hortons. If you're from Canada, Tim Hortons has been having Biscoff products. And I bought their Biscoff croissant the other day and I was like, oh my God, this is so good. Then I went into the grocery store and I saw the Biscoff spread. Then I saw the cookies. Now, this is a cookie. He crumbled them in that bag so that we could have layers of Biscoff into this roll. So I added the Biscoff spread into the dough, and we also added some of the Biscoff into the glazed topping right there. And don't worry yourself, this is alcohol free. Wine, apple juice. He's actually drinking, and he was trying to get his sister to move out of his photo and she would not move. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.